Hello guys, I am Nathan James, co-founder of 1000wordsproduction. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about what is a business proposition and how you should make one for your own business if you want to get greater success in your respective fields. A value proposition basically means that you're promising your customers what value you will provide them. It is a statement that tells your customers about the benefits being offered by you, who will receive the benefit, and why there is nobody else like you who can deliver the same benefits. As your business develops and grows, a value proposition will define what the purpose is behind your company and also what kind of relationship you have with your consumers. A value proposition should always be clear and brief. If you have clearly understood the needs of your customers, the value proposition you create will be able to appeal to them in a much better way. Even if you don't share your value proposition with all the customers that come to you, it should still be something that forms the basis of all the products and services offered by you. A good value proposition consists of three parts. The first part is about your target customers. You should start by defining what kind of customers will be benefited by your products and what are their particular needs from a brand like yours. The second part should focus on what type of problem you're solving. It should state what solutions you are offering to the customers and how those solutions will impact their lives. The final portion talks about the qualities of your company that set it apart from all the others. It should give your customers enough reasons to choose you over the others who sell the same product or services. Follow these tips and we are sure you'll get great success in your business. If you liked our tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below which trick you like the most. If you want to promote your business, you can contact us. Our contact details are given below in the description box. Thank you for watching our videos.